Are you looking for the best rechargeable AA batteries? Rechargeable AA batteries are a cornerstone for powering everyday devices, from TV remotes and clocks to high-drain gadgets like wireless game controllers and cameras. Their value comes from long-term cost savings, reduced waste, and the ability to reclaim peak performance with repeated charging cycles. In this review, I evaluated 5 popular AA NIME options across price, capacity, self-discharge behavior.
Product number 1. Amazon Basics 16-pack Rechargeable. Overview. This 16-pack from Amazon Basics offers a solid entry point with 2,000 mAh nickel metal hydride cells. It ships pre-charged and is positioned for everyday devices, with a stated recharge life up to 1,000 cycles and low self-discharge that preserves roughly 80% capacity after 2 years of non-use. The pack is designed for broad compatibility and convenience, making it a practical default choice for households that need reliable, ready-to-use power in bulk. The included 16-pack provides excellent value for devices with frequent power needs, like remote controls, wireless keyboards, or standard flashlights. Performance-wise, the 2,000 mAh cells deliver dependable runtime in mid-drain devices and maintain a reasonable energy reserve across cycles. However, the slightly lower capacity compared with 2,400 to 2,800 mAh options means shorter runtimes in high-drain devices, for example, digital cameras or RC toys. The product warns against mixing different chemistries, brands, or charge states, which is crucial for safety and longevity. For chargers, pairing with nickel metal hydride specific units that monitor voltage per channel is recommended to prevent overcharging. Overall, this is an excellent all-around choice for households prioritizing cost efficiency, reliability, and long shelf life.
Product number 2. EBL Pack of 8 AA Batteries. Overview. EBL's 8-pack delivers a high-capacity 2,800 mAh nickel metal hydride cell with pre-charge status and a long shelf life promise. The brand highlights improved low self-discharge, aiming to retain about 80% of capacity after 3 years of non-use. The 8-battery package includes storage cases, which is beneficial for organization and protection during transport. This option targets users who need longer run times in fewer packs or smaller device collections, while still prioritizing ready-to-use convenience. In practice, the 2,800 mAh cells deliver strong performance in mid to high-drain devices such as digital cameras, handheld gaming devices, and powerful toys. The 3-year non-use retention claim is competitive for a low self-discharge or LSD profile, though actual performance depends on storage conditions and charger quality. The batteries ship partially charged, so a full charge before first use is recommended. If you rely on LSD performance or travel with batteries for extended periods, this option offers a compelling balance of capacity and practical usability.
Product number 3. Energizer Recharge Universal. Overview. Energizer's Recharge Universal line is a premium fuel option with 16 AA cells rated at 2,000 mAh. The pack emphasizes longevity with claims of up to 12 years of storage life when not in use and hundreds of charge cycles for the pack when used with a compatible Energizer charger. The brand highlights sustainable packaging with 22% recycled materials and leak prevention design. This option is positioned for consumers seeking a robust, long life cycle solution and a trusted name in batteries with broad charger compatibility across Energizer ecosystems. Performance analysis shows reliable mid-drain performance with consistent voltage delivery across cycles. The NIMH chemistry supports a broad range of devices, including high-drain toys and gadgets. The 16-pack is ideal for households that want a ready-to-rotate set of spares and desire a long shelf life, though the price point sits at a premium relative to 2,000 mAh alternatives. The mention of NiCad in your spec is likely a mislabel. Energizer's Recharge Universal are NIMH cells. Overall, a durable option that invests in longevity features and ecosystem compatibility.
Product number 4. Amazon Basics 24-pack. Overview. This Amazon Basics 24-pack uses 2,400 mAh NIMH cells, designed for high-drain devices and extended runtimes.
It touts up to 400 recharge cycles and a 50% capacity retention after 1 year, making it a strong mid to high capacity option with good bulk value. The 24-pack is well suited for households with multiple high drain devices or for businesses needing reliable rechargeable power at scale. In practice, 2400 mAh cells perform well in devices like game controllers, wireless keyboards, and battery-intensive toys. The higher pack count reduces the per battery cost and simplifies inventory management. However, the lower 50% capacity retention after a year compared with LSD designs means you should rotate spares regularly if stored long-term. Charging should be performed with NIMH-specific multi-channel chargers to optimize individual cell voltage and avoid mismatch in high charge cycles.
Product number 5. PowerRoll AA Rechargeable. Overview. PowerRoll's 16-pack provides a high-capacity 2800 microamp hours NIMH cell aimed at power-demanding devices like cameras, toys, and cordless tools. The pack emphasizes a long service life with claims of greater than 1200 recharge cycles and 70% retained capacity after 3 years of non-use. It also notes a focus on environmental considerations and factory pre-charge cycles that are supposed to reach peak performance after several full charge cycles. This option is attractive for users seeking a high-capacity pack with a mid-range price point. In practice, these cells deliver strong runtime and high drain devices, and benefit from a large capacity that reduces the number of replacements in a season. The LSD performance is competitive, though not explicitly advertised as an LSD-only design, so expect some capacity decline if left idle for extended periods without storage care. The 16-pack aligns well with devices like digital cameras and RC gear, where higher MAH translates into meaningful improvements in runtime per charge. Overall, a compelling blend of capacity, cycle life, and cost for power-hungry setups.